In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save an animation preset inside Adobe After Effects. Let's dive in. So I'm inside Adobe After Effects and I have this logo animation here, and there's a lot of effects that I use to create this. So I want to save this so that I can use it again in the future. That way I can add it to any other layer inside my After Effects project. If we click on this layer here and click U, you can see I keyframed all of these parameters. I'm going to show you how you can save these. That way you can add them to another layer or logo in the future. Now, if you like this logo animation, it's actually part of my new collection on my Patreon page. If you don't know, I have a Patreon page where there's several templates and assets that you can download that I use on a daily basis as a video editor. There's a lot of great stuff in there, so consider subscribing if you're interested. But let's see how we can save this as an animation preset inside After Effects. So the first step is to collapse everything. I'm going to click U on my keyboard so that the keyframes are gone. We're going to first twirl down and you'll see that these two areas contain keyframes here in our timeline. What you can do is hold down Command or Control on a PC and select both of them here. Or if you have several, you can select them all. And once you have them selected, you can easily go up to Animation, Save Animation Preset. You can name your animation. So for example, I'm going to name this Glow Outline, Logo Reveal. Now where you want to go to save it is actually inside your Adobe folder located inside your documents. If you go into your documents, there should be an Adobe folder and then your current After Effects folder and then inside user presets. You can create a subfolder if you wish, but for now I'm just going to name it and click save. Where this is saved is inside your effects and presets panel. If you twirl down under animation presets, it will be saved in here under user presets. Now if you don't see this yet, you can always go to the hamburger menu and click refresh the list. So now when you twirl down, you should see it in there. So that's how you can save an animation preset inside Adobe After Effects. Now if you're new to After Effects and are looking for more tutorials to learn the software, there are several on my channel. I will leave one that you might like linked right up there. Feel free to go check that one out. But that does it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.